The universe is everything: time, space, and matter, all contained within it. Our Earth is like a rotating pebble within this vast cosmos. Orbiting one of the 200 billion stars in our Milky Way galaxy. This massive structure is but a drop in the ocean of galaxies that span 90 billion light-years. This is our home, our Earth, a comfortable planet filled with conveniences. Take a moment, set aside your daily tasks, and look at the sky. What do you see? A vast black canvas adorned with twinkling stars. So beautiful. The stars we see at night are just a small fraction of the countless stars in our Milky Way galaxy. We live here, and at night, we can only see stars from this tiny part of the galaxy. How immense is our galaxy? But in the grand scale of the universe, does our galaxy hold any significant place? Today, we'll journey to the edge of the universe. Fasten your seatbelts, for this adventure is bound to be thrilling and fraught with mysteries. Let's take off from the surface of Earth and head toward the edge of the cosmos. As we ascend above the Earth's surface, it starts to appear like a blue sphere. This is the International Space Station, the largest human-made structure in space. It orbits Earth at a speed of 27,588 kilometers per hour, approximately 400 kilometers above the surface. It completes nearly 16 orbits of Earth in 24 hours. Going higher, we spot more human-made objects, satellites. Thousands of satellites launched by humans orbit Earth, serving various purposes. Moving further up, we behold the breathtaking view of Earth from above. Doesn't it look stunning? Welcome to the Moon. Humans have set foot here, with Neil Armstrong being the first to leave his footprints on its surface, marks that still remain due to the lack of atmosphere on the Moon. The Moon, about 400,000 kilometers away from our home, looks like a blue marble from its surface. Its terrain resembles a battlefield, scarred by comet and meteor impacts over millions of years. Unlike the Moon, Earth's atmosphere shields us from such threats. Let's take a giant leap into space. Here is Venus, the brightest planet in our solar system. Known as Earth's twin due to its rocky nature and similar gravity, Venus is more like a fiery inferno. Its atmosphere contains clouds of sulfuric acid, and its greenhouse effect traps immense heat, making it the hottest planet in our solar system, with surface temperatures reaching 465 degrees Celsius. Next, we encounter Mercury, whose surface resembles the Moon's, with large craters. Mercury's extreme temperature variations range from minus 170 degrees Celsius at night to over 400 degrees Celsius during the day. Moving ahead, we meet the Sun, our life-giving star, located 150 million kilometers from Earth. This massive star could accommodate millions of Earths within its volume, and its gravity governs the entire solar system. Our next stop is Mars, the red planet. Its reddish soil and ancient water channels intrigue scientists, who believe Mars may have once harbored life. They speculate that Mars had oceans, rivers, and an atmosphere. Today, scientists explore Mars for microbial life and plan future human settlements on the planet. Continuing our journey, we reach the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, filled with giant rocks orbiting the Sun. If combined, these asteroids could form a planet. However, Jupiter's immense gravity prevents this from happening. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is so massive that it could fit all other planets within it. Its great red spot is a storm raging for centuries, large enough to fit 3 Earths. Saturn, with its iconic rings, is the crown jewel of our solar system. Its moon, Titan, resembles Earth with its atmosphere, rain, and rivers, though they are made of liquid natural gas. Scientists believe Titan could become habitable when the Sun becomes a red giant in the distant future. Further out, we find Uranus and Neptune, mysterious worlds that remained unknown until telescopes were invented. Beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt, home to Pluto and other icy objects. Even farther is Sedna, a distant dwarf planet that takes 10,000 years to orbit the Sun. As we leave the solar system, we enter interstellar space, passing Voyager, the farthest human-made object. It has traveled billions of kilometers, unveiling many cosmic mysteries. At this distance, the Sun appears as just another star. Continuing, we traverse regions with young stars still forming planetary systems. Some of these may eventually host life. Traveling even further, we leave the Milky Way galaxy, our home containing billions of stars, and enter the intergalactic void, a realm filled with countless galaxies, each teeming with mysteries.